In this video I'm going to show you how to blur a picture in Canva. So basically what we want to do is go to this design, you add a photo into it, and once you have done that you will select the photo. You can click on edit over here, and now a overview will be opened over here with different effects. And as you can see, we have some FX effects over here. We can select the blur option, and there are two ways to do this. You can select the wall image, so the wall image will be blurred. If you slide this up, it will be more blurred. If you slide it down, it will be less blurred. You can also use the brush option. You can select the brush size, so the brush size will be bigger, and the intensity can also be selected, how much blurred you want it. Like if I use this brush now, you can see it will be purple, but this will change quickly after I will release my left mouse button. And now you see a blurred part. And yeah, guys, this is basically how to blur a photo or an image in Canva. Cheers!